Are you a seafood lover looking for the best restaurants in Florida? Welcome, fellow gourmands, to a culinary journey across the Sunshine State. Today, we're casting our nets wide and deep to reel in the top 10 seafood restaurants. The creme de la creme of Florida's vibrant food scene. From Miami's bustling streets to the tranquil shores of Pensacola, we'll be exploring the sea's bounty on our plates. Ready to dive into the ocean of flavors? Let's start the countdown. Starting off our list at number 10 is Joe's Stone Crab in Miami Beach. Nestled in the heart of this vibrant city, the restaurant provides a lively and inviting ambiance that perfectly complements the sunny Florida weather. But it's not just the atmosphere that's noteworthy. At Joe's Stone Crab, the seafood is the star of the show. Famed for its fresh stone crabs, the restaurant sources these delectable crustaceans locally, ensuring they're as fresh as can be. The claws are served chilled with Joe's signature mustard sauce, providing a unique and tantalizing taste experience that's hard to beat. Of course, the menu doesn't stop there. Patrons can also delight in a variety of classic seafood dishes, from succulent lobster to hearty seafood platters, all expertly prepared and bursting with flavor. An iconic restaurant, Joe's Stone Crab is a must-visit for any foodie. Whether you're a local or a tourist, make sure to drop by and enjoy a plate or two of these mouth-watering stone crabs. At number 9, we have the Oyster Bar in St. Petersburg. Now, this is not just any bar. It's a treasure trove for oyster lovers. With an impressive array of oysters sourced from various regions, the Oyster Bar serves up these delicious mollusks in all their glory. Whether you prefer them raw, steamed, or grilled, each oyster is a burst of fresh, brimming flavor that transports you straight to the ocean. But don't think for a second that the fun stops at oysters. The Oyster Bar also boasts an extensive seafood menu that caters to every palate. From succulent lobster to delicate scallops, each dish is expertly prepared to enhance the natural flavors of the sea. If you're an adventurous foodie, try their seafood platter for a taste of everything. This cozy spot in St. Petersburg is more than just a restaurant. It's a culinary adventure under the sea. Trust us when we say this cozy spot is sure to satisfy your seafood cravings. Number 8 takes us to Tampa's Bern's Steakhouse, a hidden gem on the culinary map of Florida. This upscale establishment is well known for its mouth-watering steaks. But let's not overlook their seafood offerings. Like a treasure chest from Neptune's bounty, the seafood menu at Bern's Steakhouse is nothing short of spectacular. Imagine indulging in the finest oysters, flown in fresh and served with a zesty mignonette sauce. Or how about succulent king crab legs, bursting with sweet tender meat? And let's not forget the pan-seared scallops, buttery and delicate, practically melting in your mouth. Each dish is meticulously prepared, ensuring a symphony of flavors that dance on your palate. So yes, while Bern's Steakhouse may be famous for its steaks, the seafood here is an unmissable experience, a testament to the restaurant's commitment to providing a diverse, delectable menu. Their seafood options are equally delicious and worth trying. For number 7, we head to the Fish House in Pensacola. Nestled along the waterfront, this restaurant's casual atmosphere is as inviting as the sea breeze that welcomes you at the door. It's a place where you can relax, unwind, and savor the flavors of the ocean. The star of the menu is, of course, the seafood. Freshly caught and expertly prepared, each dish is a testament to the bounty of the sea. From succulent shrimp and tender scallops to the catch of the day, the flavors are as vibrant as the setting sun over the water. And let's not forget the view. With a panoramic vista of the waterfront, every meal at the fish house is served with a side of serenity. As the waves lap against the shore and the seagulls call in the distance, you can't help but feel a deep connection to the ocean. The fish house offers a memorable dining experience. At number 6, we have Captain George's Seafood Restaurant in Destin. This is no ordinary seafood restaurant. It's a buffet-style extravaganza that will delight your taste buds with endless seafood options. From the freshest catch of the day to classic favorites like shrimp and scallops, Captain George's is a seafood lover's paradise. And let's not forget about the crab legs. Towering, succulent, and perfectly seasoned, they're a must-try for any visitor. But it doesn't stop there. The buffet also includes a variety of sides and salads, so you can create your perfect plate. And if you're feeling adventurous, why not try something new? With such a vast selection, there's always a new flavor to discover. Whether you're a seafood connoisseur or a casual diner seeking a hearty meal, Captain George's offers an unforgettable dining experience. Indulge and discover new flavors with every bite at Captain George's. Number 5 takes us to Blue Heaven in Key West. This isn't just a restaurant, it's a culinary adventure. Imagine stepping into an oasis where the air is filled with the tantalizing aroma of fresh seafood. That's Blue Heaven for you. The restaurant prides itself on serving seafood dishes that burst with flavor. Each dish is a symphony of taste, from the succulent lobster to the spicy shrimp. And let's not forget their signature dish, the Caribbean BBQ scallops, delicately seasoned and grilled to perfection. But it's not just about the food. Blue Heaven offers an ambiance that is as delightful as its menu. The vibrant, laid-back atmosphere, complete with live music and the charm of Key West, make dining here an unforgettable experience. The walkway, lined with tropical plants, the canopy of trees overhead, and the rustic outdoor seating create a cozy and intimate setting. Blue Heaven's vibrant atmosphere will make you never want to leave. For number 4, we head to Bahama Breeze in Orlando. A tropical oasis in the heart of the city, Bahama Breeze is an island retreat where you can escape the ordinary. The menu is a vibrant array of seafood dishes, each a culinary tribute to the islands from which they draw inspiration. Imagine savoring the flavors of a coconut shrimp dish or the zesty tang of jerk lobster tail, all while sipping on a handcrafted cocktail that's as vibrant and refreshing as a Bahamian sunset. Perhaps you'd enjoy a mojito garnished with fresh mint, or a tropical fruit margarita, each concoction an invitation to an island getaway. And let's not forget the island-inspired desserts, like the Key West lime pie or chocolate island. Each dish, each drink is a symphony of tropical flavors that will make your taste buds dance. Bahama Breeze will transport you to paradise with every sip and bite. Number 3 brings us to Coconuts in Fort Lauderdale. A cool breeze, the gentle lapping of waves, and a laid-back vibe welcome you as you step into this beachfront haven. Here, it's always summer, and the seafood is always fresh. From the moment you walk in, you'll sense the relaxed atmosphere that makes Coconuts a beloved spot amongst locals and visitors alike. One can't help but feel the spirit of the sea in every corner of this charming place. Now let's talk about the variety of seafood options. Whether you're a fan of classic dishes like shrimp and grits, or you're looking to try something new, like their famous lobster roll, there's something for everyone. The seafood at Coconuts is a celebration of oceanic flavors, each dish meticulously crafted to bring out the best of its ingredients. And just when you think you've had enough, you'll find yourself reaching for another bite. Coconuts will leave you craving for more. At number 2, we have Restaurante Avanzare in Naples. A culinary gem nestled in the heart of Naples, Restaurante Avanzare is your go-to destination for a lavish dining experience. Known for its blend of traditional Italian cooking techniques with the freshest local seafood, this restaurant offers an unforgettable gastronomic journey. Picture yourself relishing a plate of linguine, swimming in a sea of clams, mussels, and prawns, topped with a rich, garlic-infused sauce. Or perhaps a pan-seared sea bass, nestled on a bed of risotto, garnished with a delicate lemon butter sauce. Every dish is meticulously crafted, presenting a symphony of flavors that dance on your palate, creating a harmony between the robust Italian flavors and the subtlety of fresh seafood. Whether it's a romantic date night or a special family celebration, Restaurante Avanzare ensures each moment is adorned with good food and unforgettable memories. Restaurante Avanzare offers a dining experience like no other. Finally, at number 1, we have the Rusty Pelican in Miami. Nestled in the heart of the vibrant city, this waterfront restaurant is a gem for seafood lovers. Its location on the shores of Biscayne Bay offers not only a feast for the palate, but also for the eyes. The stunning views of the Miami skyline, coupled with the serene vista of the bay, make for a dining experience that's truly unforgettable. Now let's talk about the food. The Rusty Pelican prides itself on serving a variety of mouth-watering seafood dishes, crafted with precision and flair. From succulent lobster tails to crisp golden calamari and aromatic seafood paellas, there's something for every seafood aficionado. And if you're keen on trying something new, their innovative menu also offers unique concoctions that beautifully blend traditional and contemporary flavors. So, even if you consider yourself a picky eater, the Rusty Pelican will impress even the pickiest of eaters. That concludes our countdown of the top 10 seafood restaurants in Florida. From the fresh stone crabs at Joe's Stone Crab to the unique flavors at Blue Heaven in Key West. We tasted the endless seafood options at Captain George's and savored the island-inspired dishes at Bahama Breeze. We've indulged in the fine dining at Restaurante Avanzare and enjoyed the stunning views at the Rusty Pelican. Thank you for joining us on this culinary journey. Be sure to subscribe for more foodie recommendations and travel tips.